Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to install GitHub Desktop. GitHub Desktop makes a lot of Git commands easier because you don't have to memorize how to interact with it in the terminal. You can exclusively interact with Git from the terminal, um, but it can be complicated if it's your first time. So what we're going to do is we're going to use GitHub Desktop, which gives us a graphic user interface, something we can click on, and it walks us through a very similar flow to the commands so that when you do learn the commands, you're already familiar with the flow of how GitHub works, or sorry, how Git works. So what you're going to do is you're going to search GitHub Desktop, and then you're going to click Download GitHub Desktop. It should automatically detect what operating system you're running. In my case, it detected that I have an Apple Silicon Mac, so I'm going to download, and it's going to go to my downloads folder. And as soon as it's done, you can see it popped up here in downloads. I'm going to click on it, and it has put the desktop application in my downloads folder. I'm going to drag it. I'm going to open it up, and it says, "Are you sure you want to open it?" I am sure I want to open it. And now it says I can sign in to github.com. And I'm going to end this video here because the sign-in process is the same for both a Windows and a Mac, and I'm going to show the sign-in process in the next video.